It's Dennis. Saturday, October 24th. Kulika's having her breakfast outside with Peach and Cassie. It's that time of year. I gotta put my winter tires on. It's not a bad day right now, but it's starting to get cold. I'll show you the weather forecast. So here's the temperature right now. It's +5. In Fahrenheit, it's 41 degrees. And you can see the next day's coming. It says 9 today, 10 Sunday, 7 Monday, 4 Tuesday, 2 Wednesday, 6 Thursday, and 10 Friday, just before Halloween. And let's check at those temperatures in Fahrenheit. 48 today, 50 tomorrow, 45 Monday, 39 Tuesday, and some snow and rain. 36 Wednesday, 43 Thursday, and 50 Friday. So when the temperature starts to dip below 7 Celsius, you should put the winter tires on. They work better than the all seasons would in that temperature. Or 45 degrees Fahrenheit, like here. Like these temperatures here, the winter tires have a better grip because the rubber on them stays softer at a colder temperature. So they're better than all seasons for this region anyways. So there's my car. It's a 2007 Ford Focus wagon. I bought this car new, and every fall, late fall, I change the tires. Take the all seasons off. There's my winter tires. I mark them and I take them off in the spring, so I know how to put them back. I rotated these tires last fall, so they've been rotated once. And I checked all the air pressures, and they're ready to go on. So let's get started. So I'm going to loosen these lug nuts. I pre-loosened them before I started, so it's easier to do. Yeah, once the temperature gets to about +7 or lower, that's about 45 degrees Fahrenheit, +7, then they recommend you should put your winter tires on, because they grip much better in those temperatures than all seasons do, the winter tires. I put locks on my wheels, and I bought new tires a couple years ago, and it was expensive, like $800 for 4 of these tires. I thought, why don't no one take them off when they see they're new? And then the winter tires, I put the same lock on, so no one steals my winter tires, because winter tires with steel rims are $1,000. So you know people are going to try and get them because they don't want to pay $1,000. So that's my all-season tire. We put that away for the winter. So there's my first winter tire. And these are called directional tires, meaning like the tire, you look at the mark here where it's rotating. So you want the rotation symbol to be pointing that way on the driver's side. If it was pointing the other way, that means it's a tire for the passenger side. Like these winter tires, like the way they make them is you can rotate them, but you got to go from front to back or back to front. You can't crisscross these kind of tires. or you won't get the proper traction. And I put my lock on. So I don't come out of a movie or something and I'm on blocks. Because it would happen. It's a lot of money, so they're stealing them. I don't use a torque wrench, but when I get my oil change, I'll just go in and have the garage re-torque them for me. There, the first one's on. So that's it, I got the first two on, front and back. There's a lot of tread left on these tires, and I like the ones like this. I bought tires and with steel wheels. Then I just swap them every fall. I put them on, spring I take them off. Then I put my all seasons back on in the spring and take them off in the fall. Then I don't got to rebalance them or nothing. It's a lot easier. Also, it's a lot less expensive too. Every time you have to remove a tire and put it back on and balance it, some places charge $150 to do that. You're making a lot of money. This is the 5th winter that I've had these on, but I've only put about 12,000 kilometers, so that's not even 8,000 miles on them. So there's a lot of tread, a lot of life left on these winter tires. And it's important to take these off every spring. Don't leave them on all summer. Like some people, I see them driving around with them because they're lazy or don't have other tires. This rubber gets all worn out, and then in the summertime it works the opposite. The stopping distance is worse because the rubber is not designed for the hot weather. It's designed for the cold weather. So they try to stop in the summer, and the stopping time is longer than in the winter because it's not the proper tire. So you got to take that off every spring, like end of April or something. So I'm going to do this side now. Change these tires out. that one down in the back. I wanted to talk about the difference in tires. There's three kinds of tires. There's all-season tires, they call them. There's all-weather tires. And then there's winter tires and snow tires. So these are winter tires. And these are designed for a climate like in Saskatchewan here, where we get really cold winters. We get hard-packed snow. The roads get covered and it turns into ice. So these are the best tires for this condition. I live in Saskatchewan. If I was living in, let's say Vancouver or a little bit inland, probably an all-weather tire would be better. Because an all-weather tire can be used winter, summer, and fall all the time. But in this part of the country, an all-weather isn't that good. Like, it's good to a certain point, but you need the winter tire. It's designed for the cold winters here. But these tires, again, should be taken off in the spring. They're not good in the summer. You don't get the stopping times on these tires in the summer, and plus you'll wear out this rubber. Then it's no good to use the next winter. So you should really try to take these off. Just put them on for the winter season starting now, near the end of October, and then take them off the end of April. And I'm going to take my car in, get it serviced for the winter. I'll just get them to check the air pressures again and torque these lug nuts properly. But I know I'm pretty close. So that's it. I'm done all four tires. So thanks for watching the winter tire vlog. And if you don't have winter tires on your car, and you live in an area like I do, like prairie provinces where it could be 30, 40 below and snowpack roads, get them. You'll be glad you have them on if you do get them. They make a huge difference. I used to be skeptical before I had them, but now I wouldn't go winter without them if I had them. So thanks for watching.